How do you find an audiobook on the Audible app? You've come to the right place. This is so easy to do, it's not even funny, it's not even a joke. If you told me how to do this on April Fool's Day, I would honestly just be offended. Anyway, enough of my exaggerations regarding the lack of funniness and how easy this is. Just in case it's worth noting, this is assuming you have books to find. Okay? Just want to throw that out there. Step 1, go to the Audible app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you will see these icons. Step 2, go to where it says library. Okay, this is all the books that you've purchased and downloaded in the past. Step 3, go to search at the top. This should be a little magnifying glass. It allows you to, step 4, type in the name of the book that you're looking for and tap search. Step 5, the book should be right there and it'll say in your library to let you know that the book is in your library. You can also use this to find authors if you're looking for a particular author. That's how to find an audiobook in the Audible app. For a more general idea though of what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and just a walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video going over all of this and I'll link that in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and they're like 10-15 minutes each. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.